The Lionel Super Chief Lion Chief set with Bluetooth 5.0 brings one of the most iconic streamliners in railroading history straight to your living room. This ready-to-run O-gauge set includes a sleek Santa Fe FT diesel locomotive, 2 beautifully designed coach cars, and an observation car, all rolling on a full oval of fast track. Control your train in 3 ways: with the Lion Chief remote, the universal remote sold separately, or the Lion Chief app on your phone. With Lionel voice control, you can run it by voice, and voice streaming and recording lets you make custom announcements for that personal touch. Enjoy diesel rev sounds, a horn, bell, and the announcements, plus directional lighting and the illuminated cab. It's true plug-and-play fun, perfect for newcomers and families. Head over to trainworld.com and order your set today.